Looking for powerful cooling without taking up window space? This Amana Through-the-Wall Air Conditioner might be exactly what your room needs. Let's check it out. The Amana 11,800 BTU Through-the-Wall AC is built for serious cooling. Designed to keep rooms up to 550 square feet comfortably chill, and it does it without blocking your windows or taking up floor space. It runs on a standard 115-volt outlet, so you won't need any fancy electrical work. Just plug it in, install it through the wall using a compatible wall sleeve, sold separately, and you're good to go. This unit gives you 3 cooling speeds and 3 fan speeds, so you can customize airflow to exactly how you like it. It also features 8-way directional airflow, meaning you're not stuck with air blasting in just one direction. It cools the whole room evenly. The digital display and remote control make things super simple. Want to adjust the temp from the couch? No problem. It also includes a programmable timer, so you can set it to turn on or off automatically. Perfect for saving energy when you're out. Speaking of energy, it features an energy saver mode that helps reduce power consumption without sacrificing comfort. The unit turns the fan and compressor off when the set temperature is reached and back on when it needs to cool again. And don't forget the sleep mode, which gradually adjusts the temperature overnight for a better night's rest and lower energy bills. Win-win. If you want powerful, reliable cooling that doesn't take over your window, the Amana Through-the-Wall unit is a sleek, smart solution. Easy to install, easy to use, and made to last. You'll find the product link right down below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. We've got answers.